Hops.
From the start, Didi. From the start.
Dan, have, ay.
Hands mo, hands mo.
Ha,
Sige, hindi ka makakapag-PSP. Ang tagal. Why don't you look the letter so you will know how to read? Has. What?
can.
Very good. Again. Again.
Dan, have, ay. Has, can.
Very good. Number 2.
Dan, has, fan.
Very good. Next, number 3.
The man is a car. Ay, the one.
Again.
In the side of one.
May zaig ba dyan? Again, the man.
The man is inside.
In.
Ng
Huh? How do you read T-H-E?
D-A.
Da, diba? Da. Okay,
Da.
again, number 3.
Man
Number 3. How do you read T-H-E?
T-H-E.
Ito, kanina sinabi ko na yan.
Man.
Da.
That.
You focus on what I'm saying. Ano to?
Dan. It.
Da, Didi. Da. Dito ka tumingin, dito. Oh.
Da.
Ano ba yung
The
hands mo?
The man is in the van.
Very good. Next number. How do you read?
The bag in
Da, ano?
the
Da.
bag.
Is it a bug? Is that a bug?
But
The bat.
is in the bag.
Very good. You know how to read now, man. Oh, last.
The rat fat.
Again. Kulang. The rat.
The rat is
Tama.
fat.
Very good. Pig, kapag is, ibig sabihin, 1 lang yung rat. Paano pag 3 yung rat? Paano mo siya babasahin? The rat.
The rat
3 yung rat. Ano siya? Is pa rin ba yun?
this
No.
These are-
No. Hindi, basahin mo lang. The rat is fat. Kasi isa lang yung picture ng rat. Pero, kapag 3 na yung picture ng rat, paano mo siya babasahin? Aalis, yung is magiging very good. Kasi more than
one.
very good. Okay, let's read. Sabi ni teacher. Oh, basahin mo yan. Let's read.
Dan
Has.
has a cat.
Very good. Next.
The cat is fly. Ay,
Ano is fly? Does the cat is flying? No.
happy. Ay,
Oh!
sad.
Ha?
Ah.
Paano naging sad yan? M2. Oh, ayoko mag-play. The cat. Okay, the cat.
The cat is
Walang a. Again, the cat.
the cat
Is.
is Some.
Again, walang a. Walang a, Didi. The cat
The cat
is
is some.
very good. Next.
Some. 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 Has.
Didi, I'm asking for this. Hindi ka nagko-concentrate ulit. Yung hands mo, tigilan mo yan. The some is
The some is
walang da dyan, Didi. Walang da. Some lang. Some.
some.
How can you help?
Is fat.
Very good.
The
Anong da?
hug.
Ano? Ano? Ano?
Alam ko.
How do you read H-E?
Hug.
H.
Hey.
Ano hi? Hi, H-I yun. H-E. How do you pronounce E? E. H?
Iyo.
H?
H.
How do you pronounce H?
Ha.
Ha. Ang E?
E.
Okay, put them together. Concentrate.
I don't know.
You know that, Leon. How do you read H-E? Pagsamahin mo yung sounds nila. He!
Hey.
Diba? Ha, he, he, ho, hu. Again.
Hey.
He,
He. Hands.
ha?
Hands.
Ano hands? He,
He.
how do you read H-A-S? Ha?
Cat.
Ha?
Cat.
Again.
Cup.
He has,
A cup.
again. Ang tagal mo magbasa.
He has a cup.
Okay, next.
Syrup.
Okay, I'll guide you. What's this?
Some
Takes,
takes
that's not the.
as
A lang, Didi. How do you read A?
a
Again, some
takes the
Stop playing with your hands. Again, some
takes
A.
a
How do you read N-A-P?
B
N-A-P.
dapat ikaw muna.
No, Didi, you read it already here, oh, sa AP. Nabasa mo yun, di ba? Binasa mo yun kanina. Hindi ka lang nagko-concentrate na naman, Didi. Nap. Very good. Some takes a nap. Again.
Some takes
Takes a nap.
a nap.
How do you read O-N? On. Dance.
Dance.
With S, dance.
Dance.
L-A-P. Stop playing with your hands, Didi. L-A-P.
Lap.
Lap. Very good. Paano mo? How do you? Sige, game. Ready? Yes, go. Ay, teka lang.
Ay, napunit na din.
Sige, gagawin natin. Ayan, ulit.